Hello, my name is Joshua Cryer and welcome to Chef Cryer's Kitchen. Today we'll be showing you guys how to cook al pastor and it should be fun, so let's get it! So you see here, we found my boy Kevin. Now this is an authentic Mexican, and how you can tell, we got the same skin tone. But otherwise, you see the chain, and you see the chain. You see the spiral, that's how you know. We found my boy, time for the next step. Get all of your ingredients on the table. Can't tell you what all of them are because it's a family secret of Kevin's. You feel me?
Let him say it.
Yeah, explain it.
Family secret. Don't tell anyone. Think this one's good?
What you finna do with those?
None of my business. It's none of my business.
Eight ajos.
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 She got like 4 big ones. 4 ajos.
4 ajos. Garlic cloves.
Close.
Ajos.
Ajos.
Ooh. Technique.
Bam, see that?
Yes, sir.
All gone.
So break it up.
It feels too.
Right. Ooh, that's strong.
So you put 1 cup of sunny D. The vinegar. Right there. And that's it. That's the sauce.
Hey, that's the sauce.
Like the ajos and the achote.
Mhm.
So what we have to do is we have to.
You ready? Let's get it. Oh, come on now. Nah, you're not finna cut me off like that, bro. Nah,
Come on, bro. Try it.
I'm not trash though.
But if you ain't first, you last. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Need to watch them, their attempt at blocking, but they will not get none. No. He's watching me. They will not get none. No. The stars will keep falling like asteroids. We balling, so they will not get none. No.
Put a top on that and let it sit for a good 35, 45. I'm playing. How long do you actually let it sit?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
On the tortillas,
Right.
we put it in the sauce that it was cooking in. Gets all the oil. It also helps the tortilla cook a little better, a
Right.
little faster.
So we gotta marinate it in the sauce that we cooked the meat in, and then saute it.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Yo, sorry.
Take a yomp out that hoe. It's good, ain't it? Take another chomp out that.
Hey man,
My God.
This right here, it's slap, bro. It's good. Kevin, you did your thing, dog.
Real good.
Oh my God. Thank you, Lord.
Don't talk about me no more.
Bro, I didn't chew. I almost choked.
Huh? You hear that, Mom? Don't talk about me. Do not talk about me no more.
Well, as you can see, like, my homie's out, so that food was obviously bomb. We had a good time cooking together today, and it's always just a great time in Chef Cryer's kitchen. So, yeah. And today was basically brought to you by Kevin. He was the one who came up, well, didn't come up with the recipe, but he was the one who, like, told us how to cook everything and basically just did everything, not for us, but basically catered everything. So, big props to him. Hey, follow my boy B Gaines and like and subscribe if you had a good time. So, hey, I'll see y'all later.
I'm gonna keep
Dog, hey, what's up, home? Hey, bet that goofy, but hey, turn up, yeah, hey, turn up.